system and the seatbelt sign is still on, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the signs throughout the cabin have been switched off. We do suggest that whenever seated you keep them fastened in case of any unexpected turbulence. There are 2 toilets on board the aircraft, one at the front and one at the rear. For your safety, these have been fitted with smoke alarms. May I remind you that smoking is not permitted at any time or in any location. During the flight today, we will be offering you the chance to purchase drinks and snacks from our Easyjet bistro. We have a wide range of hot and cold drinks, including Starbucks teas, coffees and hot chocolate. There's also